Today, let's invite Angelite into our meditation. Angelite is a great protection stone if you are going through change, and it will also guide you away from the thoughts that are not benefiting you. So take your Angelite into your hand, take a deep breath, and repeat after me. Angelite helps me with divine support and guidance. My Angelite lets me feel like I'm floating on a cloud. Remember to recite this meditation whenever you feel the need to have Angelite in your life. Love and light, and I'm holding space for you.